Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Thank you so much for joining me today. We have an unboxing of Scentsy. Yes, another one of my great loves is the beautiful smells that are created by melting wax. So we have, oops, a daisy. We have a box. Which I've already opened obviously to check everything was there. So we'll just move that to one side, and we remove this beautiful packing paper, which I'm going to flatten out and reuse in journaling projects and things, which stamping up if you go back to using this. I really don't like the plastic protective packaging thing. It's really horrible. So we have a lot. How many do we have? 1, 2. This was from a flash sale. Took ages to arrive. I got 8 of these. So cranberry pumpkin spice. Ooh. It's quite strong, that one. Mighty pine. I do like pine. That's quite subtle, that. It's nice. Vanilla bourbon. Well, you all know I like my whiskey, so haha. Oh, that is nice. Jeweled pomegranate. I do love pomegranates, you know. That is lovely. That is lush, that is. Joy and wonder, because we're coming up to Christmas again. That's quite subtle, that. Toasted acorn and oak. I'm guessing this is going to be a woody one. It is very earthy. Hey tiger lily. I wonder what this could be. Ooh, that is lovely. And finally, kukul and coconut. Coconut's another favourite. Yes. Very nice indeed. These will be set fire to at some point. And now the bit you've been waiting for. The warmer. So, here it is. This is the blue agate warmer. Let's put it into shot there. Okay, let's open the box and take a look at it, shall we? So there we have the bung, which can be safely ignored. Not a child. This will be the top, I'm guessing. There we go. It's quite deep, this one. I'm wondering what I didn't check as to what size bulb is in this one, because I've got lots of coloured bulbs, which are 15 watt, I think. Oops. There's the plug. Let's get the warmer out and get the wrapping off it. That's everything. There's the bulb. All nicely wrapped. I'm probably going to need a magnifying glass to see what wattage it is, or maybe just go to the web page. So I do have a spare socket here actually. For my something like that. Get rid of that, get rid of that. put this in. And unwrap the cable. A nice slingshot. There we go. Put that. Oops. You have to take the plastic bits off first. Right, let's put the top on. And power her up. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to try the different coloured bulbs in that I've got. I'm going to put some vanilla bourbon in. There we go. We'll let that melt. So there we go. That's my little Scentsy unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ring the bell, of course, to make sure you get notified of any future videos. It doesn't cost anything. It's all free. And it does help out the channel tremendously. So whatever you're doing today, wishing you a lovely time. And I will see you soon. Bye.